My name is Laura Shield. I'm halfway through my master's program, like you. Um, right now, I am working at behavioral health at a hospital. We're working with elderly people, people that have depression or anxiety, um, sometimes dementia or a little bit of Alzheimer's at the beginning stages. Um, what I expect my field, I like working with elderly people. It is something that I understand where they come from. I understand with past things that happened to me when they don't feel like they are needed or wanted. I get that. Um, so I think I can kind of relate to what they feel. Um, I'm not really. I'm very excited about the process itself. Um, I worked with elderly people before, and I just enjoy it. Um, I'm not concerned right now. I'm just trying to get my feet wet and see what happens as when I go through um, my internship. So right now, I don't have any concerns yet. Um, and the one thing I want to do is I want to be able to help these people that are not being taken care of. And I think that comes from um, the people and their families, even the doctors and the hospitals, and they sometimes they don't think they count, and I want to understand that they do count. So that's what I get so far that I've gotten. I only had one session today, so I can't wait to get going and see what else happens. So good luck, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you so much.